to use ne in Mandarin Chinese? This question was from Asia, one of my Mandarin tutoring students. No shame to admit that this is a challenging question to me, so I did my research. And in this video, I'm gonna break it down to 3 sections to help you to understand easily. First, where to put ne. Second, what kind of sentences can use ne. Third, when and how to use ne. First, where to use ne. Very easy. At the end of the sentences. Second, what kind of sentences can use ne? Both statements and questions. Third, when and how to use ne. I list 5 common situations to explain. Situation 1. How about someone or something? A very classic example that every Mandarin learner knows is when we practice greeting. 你好吗？我很好。你呢？你呢？ Here 你呢 means how about you? Another example, A says 我今天去工作。I go to work today. 我今天去工作。And B asks 明天呢？明天呢？ How about tomorrow? 明天呢？ Situation 2. Where is someone or something? 我的书呢？我的书呢？ Where's my book? 妈妈呢？妈妈呢？ Where's mom? Situation 3. To express the actions happening. A asks 你在做什么？你在做什么？ And B said 在吃饭呢。在吃饭呢。在吃饭呢 eating a meal. Here is a side note. It's common for Chinese people to say I'm doing something something 呢 but Taiwanese, for example, when A asks 在做什么 what are you doing? Instead of 看电视呢 Taiwanese usually just answer 看电视看电视 without 呢 Situation 4. To give a softer, friendly tone. For example, 我不喜欢 I don't like 我不喜欢 It might sound too straight or impolite to some people, so we add 呢 at the end to soften this tone and make it more casual. 我不喜欢呢 Situation 5. Emphasize the tone, either a positive or a negative statement. Add ne at the end to emphasize your point. For example, 我不喜欢哈利波特 I don't like Harry Potter. 我不喜欢哈利波特呢 I don't like Harry Potter. How to use ne? First, where? At the end of the sentences. Second, what kind of sentences? Both statements or questions. You can use ne at the end. Third, when and how to use. 5 common situations. Situation 1. How about someone or something? 2. Short version of where is someone or something. 3. To express action is happening. 4. To give a softer tone. 5. To emphasize the point. Is this helpful? Leave yes or no in the comment so YouTube will show this video to more Mandarin learners who needs this video.